This is a 2011 Impreza sedan. Go ahead and remove this guy. There's a T30 right in here. Go ahead and listen to that guy. And this thing should come off by hand. If it doesn't, let's see, you keep turning it and then it screws into there. Pull that out, and then literally this is the handle, and go out and slide out. Look, boom, boom, very simple. Go back in. Put that back in and hold that. Put the T30 back in. And screw it tight. That's how you take the door handle off and put the door handle back on. Now watch the other video of how to take the other door apart. But just a heads up, while you're in here, if you got to replace the window regulator and the glass, it'll be another day. I'll show you guys, once you've gotten to this point, how to remove the regulator, how to remove the glass. We're about to hit rain, so we want to try to get as many videos today done for you guys. So if you guys need this done next week or whenever, just drop us a comment and we'll get it handled for you guys. We're gonna go work on the driver's side door to show you guys how to take the driver's side door apart. It's a little bit different.